All right, so what does Jupiter actually look like from Earth? Here's the deal. It depends a lot on how you're looking at it and when. But strap in, because even with the naked eye, it's going to blow your mind. If you're just standing outside on a random clear night, Jupiter is one of the brightest objects in the sky, like obnoxiously bright. It's not twinkling like a star, it's steady and almost creamy looking, which is your first clue it's a planet. Now, grab those binoculars. Suddenly, it's a tiny glowing disk. But wait, there's more. On a good night, you might see little specks next to it. Those are Jupiter's four major moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Yup, bonus planets orbiting a planet. Pain point time. Most people don't own a telescope, but if you can get your hands on even a beginner one, Jupiter transforms. Now, you'll notice it's clearly a sphere, and maybe, just maybe, you'll catch its colorful cloud bands. Here's where the details get real juicy. With a decent telescope, like something in the $300 to $500 range, you'll see Jupiter's stripes, those iconic belts of clouds, and even its great red spot. That's a storm wider than Earth that's been raging for centuries. Yes, centuries. Let me tell you a pro tip. Timing matters big time. Jupiter is easiest to see when it's in opposition, meaning it's directly opposite the Sun from Earth. It happens roughly every 13 months and gives you the brightest, clearest view. Mark your calendars, but what if you don't have any gear? Honestly, Jupiter is still spectacular. I'd say 90% of people have no idea they can walk outside, look up, and see another planet with their eyes alone. That kind of perspective is rare. Here's another fun fact. Jupiter's apparent brightness changes based on its distance from Earth. At its closest, it's about 365 million miles away. Sounds far? It's nothing on a cosmic scale and makes Jupiter look like a true gem. Now, imagine this. You're seeing something that's 1,300 times the size of Earth and over 10 times as massive. Every time you glance at it, you're looking at a literal giant that's shaping our solar system. Here's my Portland-relevant tip. If you're stuck with city light pollution, like I am sometimes, you might think you're out of luck. But Jupiter is so bright, it can still cut through a lot of it. Find a park or darker corner, and you're golden. If you're curious about colors, Jupiter's cloud bands have shades of orange, brown, and white. They're subtle, and most smaller telescopes won't show them vividly. But with patience and decent optics, the colors start to pop. It feels otherworldly because, well, it is. Final thought. Jupiter isn't just a point of light. It's a jaw-dropping reminder that somewhere out there are storms, moons, and mysteries we may never fully understand. And all of that fits into your viewfinder, right from your backyard. Mind blown.